Hi, it's Michelle. Welcome. So you're on the anti-marketing Jumpstart kit sales page, obviously. And I just wanted to make this video to show you who I am, introduce myself. We may have already spoken if we've spoken before, if that's how you found out about the Jumpstart kit. So I just want to give some information about this package. All the details are on the page already, which you've probably skimmed or read. The reason why you want to have a funnel is it's like the foundation for your business online. A funnel just makes it easy for the right people to come onto your site, to see that they're in the right place, to understand what you're about very quickly, and to help them make that decision as to whether they want to buy from you or not. So all of the funnel pieces make that possible. Landing page with free gift, email autoresponders, sales page, YouTube video, traffic. Those are the very bare bones basics of a funnel. And if you don't have those in place, you are making it difficult for people to either work with you or buy from you or just, hand you money. The funnel is about making it easy for your ideal customers to hand you that first dollar, that first sale, right? So with the funnel guidance plus edit package, I'm not writing your funnel for you. I'm actually guiding you to write it yourself. So I'll tell you, okay, task number 1 is this, write this, do this, put pictures of this, do that. So it's very clear plan as to what you need to do. And then I look at what you've created and I give you suggestions, feedback, and edits on it, light edits. When I write the copy from scratch, that's the more expensive package. That's the $5,000 to $15,000 or more, depending on your business, how many products you have, etc., your price points, all that good stuff. So for most people that are new-ish to business or who are just starting out or who are even just trying to get their sales going, that's not going to be an option, that higher package. So that's why I put together the smaller package, funnel guidance plus edit. So the pricing of that is on the website that you were just on. And I change that pricing occasionally. So, if you see the low pricing, jump on it because sometimes I change it. Sometimes I increase it. The funnel guidance plus edit package is kind of like coaching also built into it because the very first step that I'm going to have you do is to make some videos, to upload them onto YouTube, mark them as unlisted so nobody else can see them, and then send me the links so I can see them. For this step 1, this task number 1, that's the hardest part for a lot of business owners because they're just camera shy. They're like, oh shit, I'm on camera. I don't know. They freeze up. So we just knock that out right up front. We get that out of the way. And you can learn a lot about yourself from doing some videos. So I also give you some topics to speak on to make it very easy for you. And we just go through each piece of your funnel. I have you write it. I give you a simple guideline on what to write. And you just write it. You go to town. Then you send it back to me. And then I critique and edit it. And by the end of the whole package, you have a funnel. That's it. You got your website. You have to already have a website up for this to work. If you don't have a website, you need to get one up first before you do this package. Let's see. FAQs. I had a client ask, how long does this take? That depends totally on you and how quickly you can get the tasks done. So I just worked with a supplement company, a small kind of newish company, a husband and wife team, and they got everything done in about a month. So they were actually pretty quick to get all the tasks done. I'm also working with another client who sells soups online, and she has like a full-time thing that she's doing, or another, work that she's doing. So she doesn't have as much time to devote to actually getting the funnel tasks done. So for her, it's going to take a little bit longer. So we're actually looking at breaking it up into 3 months and doing, a couple tasks each month. So it will depend on your pace. If it were me personally, I would, this is your business. Treat it seriously. Like, put as much time and effort as you can into it. Get the tasks done. Do the writing, because it's your business. Like, you want to make sales. You want to make profits. You want to increase your profits. You want to reach more people. So, like, why wouldn't you prioritize that? So, I mean, it's at your own pace, but also I want to challenge you to take your own business success seriously. Let's see, what other questions? If you have other questions about this package, just email me, michelle@antimarketingmanifesto.com. I would be happy to answer any questions. And if we haven't already done a quick Zoom call, reach out to me. Let's schedule a 10-minute call. We can just go over some stuff. We talk about your business, see if this is right for your business. Really, you can't go wrong with investing in these basic pieces of your funnel. So I hope that's helpful. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.